Welcome. In front of me is a Realme Note 50, and today I will show you how you can put this phone into safe mode. So, to get started, you will want to pull down your notifications by swiping down from the top of the screen, and then swipe down once again to extend the list of visible toggles. Here you'll find a power button, so click on it, and then from the options you want to hold power off. When you do that, it changes into reboot to safe mode, which we will confirm by selecting OK. This will initiate a reboot, and when the device boots back up, it will automatically go into safe mode. Now in safe mode, only the pre-installed applications will function. Any app that you have installed yourself will be temporarily disabled as long as you are in the actual safe mode. This mode is designed for troubleshooting your device, so if you don't have any kind of problems, trouble, there's no reason to boot it into this mode, as it does kind of limit the usability of the phone itself, so just be warned. So, on the second page, you can see a bunch of applications that won't work. As you can see, they become monochrome and very transparent. But you can see things like Spotify, whatever that is, Facebook, TikTok, whatever that is. And if you try to open any of those applications, it will give you the pop-up right here, downloaded apps disabled in safe mode. So from here, you can troubleshoot your device. And once you're done doing so, navigate back to the power menu right here, and then select restart. This will reboot the device, and when it boots back up, it automatically goes back to the normal mode. So with that being said, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.